want some cold drink. Thank you. Wake up! Swim!
Hello everyone, I'm Alice. Welcome to Clay House channel. Today, I'm going to build miniature summer rainbow house with aquarium around for pet. Oh, if you like and subscribe, a double rainbow will appear outside your window. More blue. Border decals. A window. An anther window. I have 3 pieces of cardboard. I will turn them into a mini staircase. A rainbow staircase will make our house more brilliant. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So colorful. I will make a desk from 2 pieces of cardboard and clay. I decided the tabletop will be yellow. Spread the clay evenly on the sides of the card, like this. Oh, I almost forgot the drawer. Next, I will make a cute green lamp from clay. And I need more books. The book gives us a lot of useful knowledge, so don't forget to read books every day. Okay? Now, I'm going to make a super cute watermelon bed. Do you love watermelon? Interesting facts for watermelon lovers. Watermelon is native to Africa. They are related to cucumbers. The pods and seeds are edible. We often see the inside of watermelons being red, but actually some varieties have yellow flesh too. I have an interesting story to tell you. The story is called Watermelon Madness. Nora is a little girl who loves to eat watermelon. She eats watermelon in the morning. She eats watermelon in the afternoon. She eats watermelon in the evening. One day, Nora sat down to eat with her family. Mama scooped maloka with chicken and rice onto Nora's plate, but Nora turned up her nose.
I don't like noodle. I don't like chicken. I only want watermelon.
Chicken is good for you, Nora, and noodle is yummy.
Baba insisted. Nora roared.
Watermelon! Watermelon! I only want watermelon.
Mama was angry and said firmly,
First, eat your noodle plate. Then you can have watermelon.
That evening, Nora snuck into the kitchen and saw a big watermelon sitting on the table. She stood there for a moment and thought,
Yum! That is a very big watermelon. I want to eat it all by myself.
Nora took the watermelon and rolled it under her bed so that she could eat it after everyone had gone to sleep. She fell asleep thinking about the big watermelon under her bed. In the middle of the night, Nora felt her bed shaking. She opened her eyes and saw the watermelon growing bigger and bigger and bigger. It got so big that her head almost touched the ceiling. Nora slid down the watermelon.
Wee! Wee! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This whole watermelon is all for me.
Nora walked around the watermelon and found a door on its side. She opened the door and went inside the watermelon. She walked down a long hallway until she reached a bright pink room. Inside were a table and chair made out of watermelon seeds. Nora ate her first piece of watermelon at the table.
Yum! This watermelon is so delicious. I want more.
And another piece of watermelon appeared right in front of her. Nora kept eating and eating and eating, and she kept saying,
I want more. I want more. I want more.
The moment she finished a piece of watermelon, another one would appear in its place. Suddenly, Nora stopped eating. She felt herself getting bigger and bigger. As the watermelon got smaller and smaller, Nora grabbed her belly and cried.
Oh, no. My tummy hurts. I don't want any more. I don't want any more.
Nora opened her eyes and found Mama sitting next to her and patting her.
What's wrong, Nora? What's the matter?
There was a giant watermelon under my bed, and I ate so much of it. I felt like it swallowed me.
Mama took the watermelon out from under Nora's bed.
Who put this watermelon under your bed, Nora?
Nora felt embarrassed.
I did. I'm sorry, Mama. I wanted to eat the whole watermelon all by myself, but I started getting bigger and bigger as the watermelon got smaller and smaller.
Mama smiled.
Go back to sleep now, Nora. We'll talk about the magic watermelon tomorrow.
Nora turned over in her bed and fell asleep right away. The next morning at breakfast, Nora ate her fried egg and satter with olive oil and drank all her milk. So no matter what fruit you like to eat, don't forget you need other nutrients from bread, milk, other vegetables, and possibly more meats. Only when you eat enough, your body will have enough energy to play all the games on the playground, solve difficult math, and run to hug and kiss all family members every day after school.
I want some cold drink. Thank you. I want to go to sleep.
In the summer, it's impossible without the sun, right? The sun is always bright, shining down to help the trees grow quickly and stay green.
Ho, 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 ho! I'm shining!
I have a water bottle, so I'll cut it up to make a watermelon inflatable bathtub. going to make the aquarium. Decorate a little more tree. Oh, hello fish. Our summer house is finished. Let's take a look at our results. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any ideas for your next home, let me know in the comments. Clay House love you. See ya!